All right, this is going back a number of years, just as a reminder or precautionary tale, really. Uh, Probably late 80s, sometime in the 80s there. I was doing a top end rebuild on an Ironhead Sportster. Bored and honed the cylinders, new pistons, fit up perfectly, torque plates, everything are good to go. And redid the cylinder heads, put new guides in it, new valves, new springs, collars, all that, reground valve seats, and repainted them. So everything's perfect, ready to go. That day, I put everything back together, put the cylinders on, put the heads on, and installed the push rods, but I didn't adjust them. Just sat the push rods up in there and adjusted them slightly, just so they wouldn't fall out. Going to come in the next day, put the exhaust on, put the carb manifold on, all that stuff, and adjust the push rods. So I come in the next day, and bike's on the lift now. It's in the back. Nobody's at the store that I know of. So I come in that morning, clock in, they go over, and I'm going to adjust the push rods on the bike. So put it in gear, and I'm moving the rear wheel to spin the engine over so I can adjust the push rods. It makes it maybe a half a turn, and it just kind of stops, like crunch. And I was like, damn, what the hell's going on? So I took the push rods completely out. So there's no push rods in there. Spun the motor backwards, made it so far, it just kind of stopped. And I was like, well, that don't make no sense. There ain't nothing opening in there. Yeah, just the piston going up and down. So something's obviously wrong. It's like, damn. Pull the heads off. And as soon as I pull the heads off, look down the cylinders, there's all this little gravel in there, like little pea gravel, like out of the flower bed or something that's down the, I'm guessing somebody had put them down the spark plug holes. And now, granted, there's nobody there. So I go up and ask everybody in the shop, was anybody here last night? No, nobody was here. So somebody said, yeah, I think the owner was here last night. So I go up and I ask him, I'm like, were you here last night? Yeah, was anybody with you? Yeah, my daughter was here. Okay, come here for a minute. So I walk back there and I'm like, can you tell me how those stones and pebbles got down them cylinders there? Now, I had the heads on there with just the spark plug out. So it'd be sitting in there just like that, spark plug out. He's like, I was like, was she with you the whole time? No, she was back here messing around. Okay, well, there you go. So basically, I didn't just pull the pebbles out, took the cylinders back off, took the pistons off, cleaned them, cleaned the cylinders, cleaned the rings, cleaned everything, cleaned the pistons, put it all back together again. So ever since then, I get in the habit of just not really installing the push rods, just sticking them in there and giving a couple turns to keep whatever out. You know, so there is that. It's just one of them things, man. Now, that's not saying that the kid's going to do it, but you don't know, man. You got bugs, dust, whatever blowing around. You know, you just never know what's going to find its way down there or in there. But that's about all I got. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Guys, take care.